what happened to Kid from Knight Rider after the show ended. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. We're out here in this beautiful day, and we're headed to Tribal Iron. We're supposed to have some show today. Not too sure if it's going to be today or tomorrow, but we're going to find out. As usual, I'm with the boys, minus Ray. Miss you, boo. My video dropping Friday is on this tavern we went to in Rockaway. I'll put the name up on the screen here. They're having a fundraiser. Saturday, it's either October 10th or 11th. I keep forgetting what the date is. It's for breast cancer awareness. You know how I am about cancer, being a cancer survivor. If you're in the area and you would be so kind as to go in and give a donation, they'd appreciate it. Hell, I'd appreciate that. I can't. It's days like this that make me sad that it's just gonna get cooler and cooler. Big Shelia too. But I'm actually building a ramp so I can keep Big Shelia in my room. Just like that episode of The Simpsons where Homer wins his motorcycle and it's next to him in the bed. This video's not gonna do that place justice. It was so friggin' cool. And our bartender, waitress, thank you, friend, for the hospitality and the good customer service. We appreciate you, and I hope the tip we left you said that. I'll tell you, if you're going there, man, get the grilled cheese, add the fried onions to that boy. It's on Texas toast. It's next level awesome. So good, make you want to smack your mama. I've never been to Tribal Iron, so this is going to be cool. Hopefully the motorcycle shows today. If not, it's going to be a totally different video. I was telling these guys before, and we filmed this after we went to eat, or I filmed it. Well, I could say we, it's me and Big Shelia here. That's right, baby girl. I don't know what the hell is going on, but the past 3 weeks, every place we've gone to, just great. And, you know, I told you, if I go to a place and it sucks, I'm not making a video where I badmouth them. They could be having a bad day, you know, the cook could be sick, like, you don't know, and it's not really my place to say something that, well, I don't, you know, have a huge following. I mean, I don't want to potentially take away business from a place when I don't know what the hell they've got going on. So, you know, I'll usually try it again, and if it's bad, I'm not making a video. I'm not bad-mouthing any place, whether that be a food place, you know, destination or adventure or whatnot. Like, don't do that, man. Don't be that guy. Ain't no hate here, just love. What the hell, dude? I looked over and it said Victory Mart. For a second I thought it said Victory Ham. I'm like, what the hell is going on with your brain today, son? Victory Ham, like that macho ham. That is a Honda CTX. They only made it 1 year. The pleasure I felt sitting on that was the same as the Goldwing. It ruins you. No one's ass should feel that kind of suppleness when sitting down on a bike. It's not right. It's not right, sir. Get out of here with your welfare Honda Accord. You ain't shit. You know what they say, couples that walk together talk together. I think I hear Larry yelling about something. Well, the bike says it's 96 degrees out. It is not 96 degrees out. That's the first time I've ever seen a Vulcan 900 with a Batwing fairing on it. Making me nervous as hell. That's why. You ever see some shit in like the matter of 5 minutes? And you're just like, what in the actual hell? It must be a full moon. First we got some lady just merges on the highway, then starts tailgating these guys. Larry's like using a bunch of expletives. She's on her phone and she just tailgates somebody right through the light, blows the red light. Only for this dude next to me to be in the left lane, of course, because you always got to be in the left lane, and then just slow down to cut across all lanes. There's got to be a full moon tonight. Sip and swirl. Sounds like what happens when you have too much fun. Or by the airport. I keep hearing this damn noise and I'm like, what the hell is it? It's the cooling fan on the Can-Am Larry has. It is loud. I'm thinking we're almost there because if we go too far down this road, it's West Caldwell, I believe. Look, he's doing it again. You saw it, right? He was trying to communicate with the reptilians. He's doing it again. What's up, yo? Well, I don't think there's a motorcycle show today, so let's hit that music, huh? Oh, look at that, that's cool.